In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see completed tasks in ClickUp, so you can review finished work, track your project progress, and revisit any task your team has already closed out. ClickUp is one of the most powerful project management tools available right now, and knowing how to surface completed tasks is one of those skills that makes a real difference once your projects start to grow. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open ClickUp and sign into your account. Head to your browser or the desktop app, enter your credentials, and make sure you are landing inside the correct workspace. A workspace in ClickUp is the top-level container for everything your organization or team manages. So if you belong to multiple workspaces, double-check the name in the top left corner before you go any further. Getting into the right workspace from the very start saves you from hunting through the wrong set of projects later. Once you are inside the correct workspace, navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want to find your completed tasks. On the left-hand sidebar, you will see your spaces listed, and you can expand each one to find the folders and lists nested beneath it. Click on the list that contains the work you are looking for, and give it a moment to fully load. If you are not sure which list the task belongs to, a good rule of thumb is to start at the space level, because ClickUp will often let you view tasks aggregated across everything inside that space, which is ideal when you are looking for completed work from an entire project rather than a single phase. Now here is the step that most people miss the first time they use ClickUp. By default, completed tasks are hidden from your view. This is actually intentional. ClickUp keeps your active task list clean so you are not overwhelmed by every item the team has ever finished. To reveal those completed tasks, look at the top of your task list for the button labeled Show. Click it and a drop-down panel will appear with a range of display options. Inside that panel, you are looking for a toggle related to closed or completed tasks. The exact label may vary slightly depending on how your workspace administrator has named your statuses, but it will be clearly grouped with other visibility controls. Enable it, and within a second or two, the completed tasks will populate right alongside your active ones, visually distinguishable by their status label. This toggle is the fastest way to get a quick glance at finished work, without permanently changing your view settings. If you want to go further and isolate only the completed tasks, especially useful when a list contains dozens of active items alongside hundreds of finished ones, you can use ClickUp's filter feature. Click the filter button, which sits in the same top toolbar area as the show button. From the filter options, select status, and then choose the completed status that applies to your workspace. Common names include complete, closed, or done, though your team may have created a custom status with a different label. Once you apply that filter, ClickUp will narrow the view down so you are looking exclusively at tasks that have crossed the finish line. This is particularly powerful when you need to review completed work from a specific assignee or a specific date range. You can stack multiple filters together to get exactly the slice of data you need. With your completed tasks now visible, take some time to actually review them. Click on any task to open its detail panel. Inside, you will find not just the task title and description, but also the full comment thread, any file attachments the team uploaded, and the complete activity history, every status change, every reassignment, every edit, all timestamped. This activity log is genuinely one of ClickUp's most underrated features. If there is ever a question about what was agreed, who made a change, or when something was marked done, the activity history has the answer. It acts as a built-in audit trail for your entire project. A few expert tips worth keeping in mind as you work with completed tasks. First, the show toggle is perfect for a quick check, but if you are doing regular project reviews, you might want to save a filtered view so you do not have to configure it every single time. ClickUp lets you save custom views, which means you could have a dedicated completed tasks view ready to open in one click. Second, if you open a completed task and realize additional work is needed, a revision request came in, or something was closed too early, you can reopen it directly from the task detail panel by changing its status back to an active one. You do not need to create a brand new task and lose all that history. Third, make it a habit on your team to keep status updated in real time, rather than batching changes at the end of the week. Accurate status are what make everything you just learned actually useful. If tasks are being marked complete inconsistently, your progress tracking becomes unreliable. So there you have it. You now know exactly how to see completed tasks in ClickUp. From enabling the show toggle to applying status filters, drilling into task details, and reading the activity history. This gives you a clear, reliable window into everything your team has accomplished, which is just as important as knowing what still needs to be done. Save this video so you can come back to these steps anytime you need a refresher. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.